Hi, just give me a second, guys. I think it will. Oh no. Uh, yep. Okay. Okay. This is not good. Oh, nice, nice. So, hi everyone. Let me just decrease the volume of my music. So, uh, after so long, let me just hi, hi everyone. So, after very long time, so काफी चीजें हो गई हैं अभी तो like कि ऑफर आ गया फ्रॉम स्टार्टअप जिसको मैं रेफरेंस लेना चाहता था किसी भी स्टार्टअप में काम एंड अभी ऑफिशियल ऑफर लेटर नहीं आया बट कंफर्मेशन आ गया है ऑन व्हाट्सएप कि ओके वी वुड लाइक टू हैव यू ऑन द टीम एंड तो आई एम प्रीटी एक्साइटेड एंड प्रीटी नर्वस आल्सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोes. Probably I will join them on December. Then I have what then I just got a SIH mail that I am in top 6, but the problem is only the top 5 are shortlisted and the top 6 is for waitlist. You know, like generally there are two teams which is waitlisted, but in my problem statement we only have one team which is waitlisted, which is us, Chalas. So yeah, it's we just want like okay. I just hope we get some chance to compete here. Let's see. And the another thing is I got a offline interview call like that was too random, but I got a offline call in the Gurgaon and just yeah, it was very good. Uh, the interview was around uh, not 3 to 4 hours of 5 people, and it is the whole. I mean, I'm not saying the 3 4 hours of interview as a face-to-face interaction with mine. Mine max to max have a 30 minutes or maybe less interaction. But yeah, it was great experience for me. And yeah, I mean that's it. Like that is some very cool shit happened in last some of the days. And yep. Okay, so the next thing is we have a end semester examination from 22. Uh, yeah, we have end sem examination from 22 November. Okay, and today is 16, which is almost ending. So we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have like 3, 4, 6 days. What? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Only 5 days now. We have 5 days, and we have to just put our best in it. The timetable, no, you know, the date sheet is quite unfavorable of me, but yeah, anything can happen. So I have to prepare for the worst. Also, yeah, I mean, today the study with me session is about I'm going to study from my notes and will show you. But I just want to be countable and consistent, so that's why I'm doing this. Hmm. Yeah, pretty much context. So yeah, I will try to study as long as we can. Um, I think I will stream often now. Yep, yep, let's see. So Let me just check I am live or not. Just give me a second, guys. I mean, I hope so. My desktop volume is low. My mic is on, but my desktop volume is low. And I don't know why my Bluetooth is gone. I mean, wow, it happened like many times now. Oh, blinded for 12 hours. Don't redemption. This is not good. Okay, we'll watch it later. What was it? Huh, at the rate I'm really just. Oh, no, I'm not live. Oh, I'm live. Yeah. Okay. Mm, okay, so the plan is, let me just decrease the size of the image of this. Mm, this is good. Why are there overlapping of this? Okay, so the plan is from 10 to 12, I will read my notes of CN Computer Networks Unit 3, and from 12 to 2, we will see what the plan. Hmm, let's see, guys, what we are going to do. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, no, 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 no. Everything else also okay. As of now, I'm going to study with notes, so let me just full screen myself. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, let's go, guys. If you can see that, that is the whole diagram I made before the interview at startup, and then I just trying to connect the people with others using a concept called something called node, where I just defined person with the traits of is like, let's say, the basic idea was just take the data of Spotify, just take the data of YouTube, just take the data of their web search history, just take the data of some other apps like Google Maps or any apps people interact frequently, and that app data can tell more about the person, hobbies, or something they want to do in leisure activity and want to participate in a gathering of some people. So that was the whole idea. So I just categorized with people. Let's say my Spotify history shows that I am interested in more into classical music and less into tech, less into this and that, and just categorize my node as a giving it a score of, let's say, out of 100. Let's say this person is interested into classical music, out 80 out of 100. This person is interested into chess, 50 out of 100, something like that. And when we have a data of all the peoples, then we can categorize them into some events. Let's say we can see there are more people who are into tech in the area of Gurgaon, so we can organize a tech event there. So the people who will show up on the event is comparatively more than if we randomly organize the event there. So that was the whole, concept or model which I tried to implement, but I don't know how much I succeeded. That was just a, brainstorming idea after 2 or 3 hours, or maybe less. But yeah, I tried. I don't know what. So yeah, okay. I think that is all. So I'm just resizing myself again. Oh no, not this one. Yep. Yeah. I think this will work. We are back. So yeah. We are just learning about routing algorithms of computer networks. Let's learn about distance vector routing. Now, let me just realize it. So, yeah, I wanted to stream with my phone so I can show you the whole disk, but as of now, I need 50 subscribers before I start streaming on my phone. So, yeah, let's see when I will get a 50 subscriber. Hope so. I will put some, background music stuff, motivational stuff on shorts, which I don't like as of now, but I have to do it. Anyhow, can't do much of it. Can't do much about it. So yeah, this is ready, but account is not. Okay, let's start. Let's try this. Okay, so let's do this is effective most of the time. So yeah, let's do 2 hours 20, 25, and 5 where I will talk for 5 minutes and study for 25 minutes, something like that. Like I was doing in the morning, noted, and do this extension, do this. Yep, we are back. Like I talk too much, guys. Okay, tasty water. Okay, so we are studying about dynamic algorithms. The first one is distance vector routing, which the idea is to maintain a table that is a vector which gives the best known distance to each destination and which line is used to get there, and it is also known as Bellman-Ford routing algorithm. So the idea was just to create a table. Let's say I'm in a node A. So the okay, so the okay, so the distance to reach H from A is 20. The distance to reach okay, no idea भाई क्या टेबल चल रही है बट LSR पढ़ सकते हैं लिंक स्टेट राउटिंग which is same as what was the DVR direct distance vector routing and the upgradation here is it periodically changes like updates its routing table. Each route share the information of its neighbor to all other routers over the network using flooding. What is flooding? Yeah, flooding, the concept of flooding is to broadcast the information across all the routes except the except the route from where it came, and the data we broadcast have a end address. So let's say the datagram reaches to end in the five routes. So all the four routes will discard that data whose destination address is not matched with their route, but the vector, when the distance address matched with the distance address on the data, then it will kept and got accepted on that route, and that route and then the path it traveled will become the good path. I don't know. Yeah, let's study. think you guys can hear the sound because I did not put my headphones. I just realized. Let me check. This is not good. Otherwise, I will get a copy strike. By the way, I got upgrade. Okay, you can't. What is it? No, no, you can't. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. The next topic is congestion control algorithms, principle of congestion control, prevention and removal. Solution of congestion control can be categorized into two types: open loop solution and closed loop solution. Nice. Uh, Congestion control algorithms. Okay. It tries to solve the congestion problem by preventing it from happening. Open loop control is accessed by using methods such as deciding when to accept new packet, when to discard packet, which packet are to be discarded, making scheduling point at various point, which packet to packet. Okay. It tries to solve congestion problem by preventing it from happening. अच्छा, तो open loop solution is a solution which tries to prevent the congestion before it's happened. Okay, makes sense. Open loop control is accessed by using methods such as deciding when to accept new packet, when to discard packet, which packet are to be discarded, making scheduling point at various point, which okay. Second, it is feedback. Okay, open condition control works to prevent it, and second, the closed loop solution is something this came into picture when the congestion happened, and it is based on feedback. Detect the congestion and locate it by monitoring system. Transfer the information about the congestion to places where action can be taken. Adjust the system operation to correct the congestion. Adjust the system operation based on feedback. Okay, guys. Congestion control in virtual circuit subnet. Congestion control in circuit subnet. One widely used technique to keep congestion that have already started from getting worse is admission control. The widely technique to keep congestion that have already started from getting worse is admission control. Okay, so the congestion control in virtual circuit subnet is basically like when you get the feedback that there is a congestion at that particular spot. So, so don't set up any more virtual circuit until the congestion is cleared. I mean, that is straightforward. Like if there is a congestion at some particular point in a route, so you try to prevent it to send more packets or more data on that route till the congestion is cleared, and that all works with a what's that feedback loop. Okay, that is why it is called closed loop solution. Congestion control in datagram subnet, choked packet, load shredding, jitter control. Okay, what is jitter? Audio video stream, variation in delay for packets, arrival time belonging to same flow. Okay, this is good. In this, each router it associates a real variable with each of its output line. The real variable say Q has the value between 0 and 1 indicating percentage rate utilization of that line. If the value of U goes beyond the threshold, then the line will enter into a warning state. The router will check each newly arriving packets to see if its output line is in warning state. If it is, then the router will send back a choke packet signal to the sending host that sender will not generate any packet. Three policies: wine policy, old is gold; milk policy, intelligent discard policy; load shedding chokes packet. It states that when the router are being flooded, By packet that they can't handle, they should simply discard the packet away. The policy for dropping a packet depends on application. Okay, variation in delay for packets arrival belonging to same flow. Congestion control in datagram subnets. Congestion control in huh, congestion control in datagram subnet. Congestion control in I mean I got the concept, but I just want to watch a video really quick. Just solidify. Is it that? No, this is not the lecture. An academy computer science. An academy is like good, but I don't know. They just I think I saw this teacher lecture. You would have to look. Okay, 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 okay. So let's take a break, guys. We'll back really quick for sure. This, yeah, I think so. Um, coming. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Let me just, okay, please get silent and go to your place, something here, and yeah, we are back. So let's continue the session. Let me just switch off the air. Although it really made headache. We have a IP Internet Protocol, IP addressing type things, IPv6, IPv4, and then we have some notation. And that's it. I mean, not very much. Okay, so we are going to study about Internet Protocol IPv4 datagram. Classful and classless. Classful, class A, B, C, D, E. Okay, Internet Protocol. Ah, I studied about Internet Protocol a little bit, but it's uh, Internet Protocol. Oops, so we get an image. No, no, not this one. IPv4. IPv4. Where is the, yeah, this one. Hmm. IPv4 is this the same. Destination options. Mm. Source IP address. Okay. The data. Okay, that's data is there. Up to 650 TLL protocol. TLL time to live. Then protocol and header checksum flag. Okay, okay, okay. Identification. Sequence number. Yep, yep, yep. This looks good. Copy the image. Now we are going to dissect it. Okay, where is the image? Wow, copy image. Oh, I don't know what is happening. Hmm, let me retry. भाई किसी की तो शादी हो रही है आसपास मेरे घर के यहाँ चुनेरी चुनेरी बज रही है. Hey, so I have listened. Finally we got the chuneri chuneri. This is अपना IVCP IPv4. Let's see. We know about the version thing. We know about the what? Oh, nice. We know about the version thing. Like, is it IPv4 or IPv6? Then we have IHL. I don't know what is IHL. Let's skip type of service. What type of service it is? Total length. Then we have identification sequence number. Like every uh, datagram have a unique identification number, something like a Aadhaar card of a citizen. And then we have flags to check something. More fragment, don't fragment, reserve for user flag. Okay, so there are the flags is of 8 bit. So there are three blocks. The first one is empty for the user. The second one tells it don't fragment, like the data must be sent all in one go. I mean, you can't fragment it. The another one tells you reserve more fragment. Another one tells you more fragment, like there are more fragments of this datagram which will be combined and then give you. Then we have a fragment offset, time to live, protocol, header checksum, source address, destination address, options, data. So this is the IPv4. I'm not going much into details as of now because I will just mug up things before the exam because that I think that will work because I have a basic idea of everything here because I did study it before, but I just don't know will that be enough or not. No, 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 entry. Okay, so now we are just going to check what 127, 191, 223, 239, 127. So, it doesn't matter. Yeah, IP address representation is yeah, 8888 bits, but we convert into binary dotted decimal notation. Yeah, makes sense. Classless addressing. Okay, classless addressing is the idea. Clauses, classless interdomain routing notation or slash notation. Classless addressing. Freezed. Uh, no, please. Oh no, it is working now. Let's try this. This is classless. Oh, that's classless. This is classless. Classes of this topic is class is IPv4. Yes. Default mask 255.0.0.255.0.0. Oh, हट जाता हूँ. Something like that. Yeah. Later, it's still going good. All good. This is not in my note. The internet is not running smoothly. Oh, we did a stream. We crossed 1 hour. That's good, but I think it's probably the good time to say goodbye. I mean, I will study offline for sure, but as of now, thanks a lot. So that's all for today. बाय बाय।